Finding travel deals fast isn't just about luck, it's about strategy. The best discounts on flights, hotels, and car rentals don't last long, so knowing where to look and how to act quickly is the key to saving big. Start with Google Flights. Use the Explore feature to find the cheapest destinations from your departure city. Set price alerts to get notified when fares drop. Flexible dates unlock better deals, so search by whole months instead of specific days. Next, check Skyscanner and Momondo. These sites scan multiple airlines and online travel agencies, often uncovering hidden discounts. Booking one-way tickets separately on different airlines can sometimes be cheaper than round-trip fares. For hotels, use sites like Priceline and Hotwire for last-minute deals. Their express deals and hot rates give deep discounts on hotels without revealing the name until after booking. Apps like Hotel Tonight specialize in last-minute stays, offering major markdowns on unsold rooms. Don't ignore travel deal newsletters. Websites like Scott's Cheap Flights, Secret Flying, and Travel Pirates send alerts on mistake fares and flash sales. Subscribing gives you an advantage before deals disappear. Use points and cashback. Credit cards with travel rewards offer ways to reduce costs, and shopping portals like Rakuten provide cashback on bookings. If you have airline miles, some carriers release last-minute discounted award tickets. For car rentals, avoid booking at the airport. Sites like Turo, AutoSlash, and Costco Travel can find lower rates. If renting at the airport is necessary, booking ahead and checking price drops later can result in savings if you rebook at a lower rate. Speed is everything when chasing travel deals. Set alerts, check multiple sources, and book quickly before prices rise. The faster you act, the bigger the savings. Start searching now and get ready to travel for less.